We're here at Brimfield Flea Market in Massachusetts. Haven't been here in a few years. It's basically just like a massive flea market. It's so cool. Don't really have anything like that I'm in particular looking for. Hoping maybe, if there's anything, I'm hoping maybe I can find like some vintage baseball stuff for my son's room makeover. Otherwise, we're just having a good day, right? Walking and seeing what we can find. So we're gonna bring you along with us. That's like really old school, no? Little Joni Mitchell, little Willie Nelson. Did he sing? Where'd Pat go? Oh, look at these, how cool. They're kind of cute. Look at, it's like a witch. You're not looking alien. So trendy for today. R.I.P. Jimmy. Jimmy girlfriend. Okay, let's go in here. Where's my husband? Pat. Do you think we could put one of these, like, you know, outside in the like the mudroom door? It shouldn't get wet, right? And even if it does, it should be okay. Dr. Butt's amazing dispensary.
That's awesome.
That is cute.
Your question?
I think we have a bunch of questions.
Okay, shoot them at me.
Okay. First, I want to take one of those whales off. Don't want to mess anything else up.
Okay.
Laura, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where I'd put it though. Where can I put this, like, in the yard? Right? Couldn't I just put it, like,
In one of the planters?
not in a planter?
Okay, not in the planter. That's why I'm not the designer.
I just like them though. I'm just trying to think of like where it could be. It's a glass buoy.
If I pick this up, it won't fall.
Just, I mean, use two hands. So let's do that, and then the whale.
Yeah.
I'm excited about my little whale.
It's a big whale.
You're right, it is. It's not like actually vintage. But I should get it for him just because. All the creepy dolls. Look at this one. That's neat. This would be like awesome in like a
My dad would buy one of these.
This would be such a gorgeous like kitchen island. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. They must have cut them into little heart shapes. I love that. Get something like what for us?
This.
No, I think we're it's a little small.
Yeah.
Like that one.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys get to see
Where would they put it?
Thanks.
Feeling inspired. All right, I am now home and I was inspired while I was there to make some coastal artwork. So I went to Michael's and got a couple of shadow boxes, and now I'm going to use these shells that we found. So I'm going to hot glue this. I made sure to get shadow boxes that kind of had this like canvas background, and I'm going to hot glue this here, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. I got a little bit bigger of one for the 3 shells. All right, so these shells, I just thought these were really beautiful. I love the iridescence, and I also tend to love things in like an odd number. So I kind of envisioned them on a shadow box lined up like this. I just kind of have to figure out placement, but I just thought they were really beautiful, and it's just a unique way to display some treasures. So let's see here. How do I wanna? All right, so, all right, I'm just gonna kind of put this where it's touching the shadow box. We can, oh, you know what I should have done? Is paid more attention to where the back is. That's okay. So it's gonna hang like that. There we go, little shadow box project. And now I will hang those somewhere in my house, but I loved how they turned out. So super fun. It kind of brought me back to old times. My husband and I used to go to antique fairs and flea markets all the time. I haven't really DIY'd like this in a while, so it was just fun to kind of tap back into that. If you guys liked these, let me know if you want to see more DIY projects, and don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.